When performing characterization of porosity ceramic parts, micro-CT imaging is a fast way of collecting valuable information. This analysis can be extremely useful in defect analysis and quality assurance. In this particular application, the operator was interested to quantify the number of pores and the pores above a certain area. In addition, measurements such as area of the largest 1,000 pores were also of interest. In the past, this analysis would be done manually or using mercury intrusion methods. During the manual process, an operator would annotate the image with the pores and then subclassify the pores based on their size, which was extremely time-consuming, especially for larger sample sets. Mercury intrusion method was also quite challenging for this analysis that required a closed porosity measurement. As we apply our recipe, we see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect and classify the pores and output the required measurements. MIPAR can then generate a summary report of the results. All these measurements are also available in 3D. A batch analysis can be performed on all the 2D micro-CT slices to quantify the entire porosity of a ceramic part. This way, manufacturers can now leverage the power of MIPAR to detect defects before their customers do and improve their material process.